Graphing an equation by using the slope and y-intercept is very helpful, and it can speed things up quite a bit. But sometimes it can get tricky. So if we have y equals negative 5/2 x plus 4, we know that this is the slope and this is the y-intercept. So if we look at this information real quick, y-intercept is when x is 0, so we know we have a point at 0, 4. More information we know. Slope is equal to rise over run. So in this case, that equals negative 5/2. So then in this negative here, that can only apply to one of the numbers, either the numerator 5 or the denominator 2 at a time. It can't apply to both because negative 5 divided by negative 2 is a positive answer, and the answer here is negative. So if we look at our graph here, and we're going to use every line as 2 for our scale. Alright, so we know we have a point at 0, 4. So that's easy to start with. And then basically, if you apply the negative to the numerator, we're going to be moving to the right, because since the slope is negative, we know the line from left to right is going down. So the rise is the y value. So if you have a negative number, that point is going to be below the point we're looking at right now. So therefore it has to be to the right of it. So if we go down 5 and over 2, I'm going to change color so we can see it. I have a point there. And then we can do that again, down 5, over 2. So then going back to our y-intercept 0, 4, if we apply the negative to the 2 to the run value, or the x value, we're going to be plotting points to the left because we're going to be moving backwards on the x-axis. Therefore the points are going to have to be above this original point in order to have the negative slope. So if we move back 2 spaces and then go up 5, we can do it again. And we have enough points, plenty of points, so we can graph the line.